This is Amita Pandit from Department of Information Technology, Oriental College of Technology. Today's my topic is McCulloch's-Peat neural model. Here is the content. I will cover definition, characteristics, linear separability, graph for AND function, graph for OR function, graph for the XOR function. This was the first model of artificial neural network. It was developed by McCulloch and Peats in 1943. By using this model, we can calculate the net output. So here is the formula: x1w1 plus x2w2 plus x3w3. Here x1, x2, x3 are the inputs and w1, w2, w3 are the respective weights. Here you can see with the help of diagram, x1, x2 and xm are the inputs and w1, w2, wm are the respective weights. And after it we need to calculate the aggregate function and then net output. Here x1, x2 and xm are the input, and the value of input is always in the form of binary, that means 0 or 1. And the weight, we can take any value in case of weight, positive or negative. After it we need to calculate the activation function by using threshold. Now these are the condition of threshold. Whenever net output is greater than or equal to threshold, the value of output is 1, otherwise 0. The next is linear separability. Basically, linear separability is an important concept in neural network. Basically, this idea is to check that whether we can separate the points or not. Means, suppose we have a two class, positive and negative, and are we able to separate this positive and negative point using one single line? This is called linear separability. In this single line is known as hyperplane. See here with the help of diagram, the bubble is showing positive point and cross is showing negative point. And here I am able to separate these two classes by using one single dotted line, which is called linear separability. Now this is a graph for AND function. Here is two input x and y and the output is z. First of all, we need to plot a graph by using this truth table. You can see in the side, here is AND graph, dotted showing, dark dotted showing the positive case and bubble is showing negative one. And here I am able to separate these two classes. So AND function is linear separable in case of McCulloch's and Peat model. Now the second is graph for OR function. Same case, here is two inputs and here is the output, and we have draw some graph according to input and output. The dark bubble is showing positive case while simple bubble is showing negative case, and here also I am able to separate these two classes. The last case is the XOR function. Here I have two input A and B and the output, and I have plotted the graph, but here you can see that the positive bubble are on the axis of A and B and negative bubble is just like I'm showing like a 0 sign, but here I'm not able to separate this point. So this is the basic problem in linear separability. where McCulloch and Peat model is not able to perform or overcome this problem. So multi-layer perceptron was developed to solve this type of the problem, but this was my next topic. If Thank you so much.